Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Vibes. My name is Emma.
And I'm John. Today's lesson is super useful. We'll show you how to start speaking English in just 30 days.
Yes, we'll give you easy steps, daily practice tips, simple sentences, and natural phrases so you can speak English more confidently.
And don't worry if you make mistakes. We'll go slow, step by step, and have fun along the way.
Before we start, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon so you never miss a lesson.
All right, let's begin your journey to speaking English in 30 days.
So, John, speaking English in 30 days sounds amazing, but is it really possible?
Yes, but only if you practice every day. Even for a few minutes, 30 days is enough to start speaking more naturally if you follow a simple plan.
The most important thing is confidence. Don't worry about mistakes. They are proof that you are learning.
Exactly. Even I make mistakes sometimes. Last week I said, I goed to the store. Not good.
Today, we'll show you 7 easy steps with examples, repetition, and fun conversations.
Step 1 is simple. Daily English habits.
Even 10 to 15 minutes a day can help you a lot. Listen to English, speak English out loud, and repeat simple sentences.
For example, when you wake up, say, I wake up early today. I feel happy. Repeat it slowly.
You can even talk to your mirror, your coffee, or your pets.
Yes, my coffee listens better than my cat.
The key is practice every day. Even 5 to 10 minutes is better than nothing. Step 2, start with short, simple sentences. Don't try to speak perfect English yet.
For example, I am happy today. I like coffee. I go to work by bus.
After a few days, you can add more words. I like coffee in the morning because it wakes me up. I go to work by bus every day and listen to music.
Step by step, your English becomes longer and natural.
Step 3, learn useful daily phrases. Example, greetings. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Nice to meet you.
Or shopping. Excuse me, can I have this? How much is this? Thank you very much.
Say these phrases every day and repeat them slowly. Soon they will feel natural.
Remember, repetition is key. The more you say it, the faster it sticks.
Step 4, think in English, not in your own language.
Many learners translate in their head, and it slows them down.
Thinking in English trains your brain to speak faster and naturally. Step 5, practice speaking with others. Find language partners, online groups, or apps to chat in English.
Even 5 minutes a day will help you learn new words and phrases.
And don't worry about mistakes. They are normal. Let's practice a short dialogue. Repeat after us.
Hello, Emma. How are you today?
I'm fine, John. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. What are you doing?
I am learning English with you.
Great. Keep practicing every day.
Easy, short, natural. Repeat it several times a day.
Step 6, watch and listen to English every day.
Movies, TV shows, YouTube, podcasts, or songs.
Listen slowly first, then repeat sentences out loud.
Pause and say, I am learning English slowly.
Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Start small, step by step.
Step 7, review and practice daily.
Every day, repeat new words, phrases, and sentences.
Today's key sentences. I am happy today. I like coffee. Hello, how are you? I am learning English every day.
Repeating these sentences every day strengthens your English.
So, these are the 7 steps to speak English in 30 days. 1. Daily English habits. 2. Simple sentences. 3. Useful phrases. 4. Think in English. 5. Speak with friends or online. 6. Watch and listen to English. 7. Review and practice.
Now, we want to hear from you. Which step will you start today? Write your answer in the comments below.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more lessons.
Thanks for practicing with us. Keep speaking, listening, and repeating every day.
See you in the next video.